In this session, we will prepare first LaTeX document from the scratch. So basically we want to create a document wherein we will explore different types of documents. We will add title to the document. We will add author name to the document. We'll also add date information to the document. Then there should be abstract in the documents, and our document should have different sections and subsections. And we also want to explore about the comments in the document. So basically this is the output we would like to generate. So this type of PDF we want to generate at the end of this session. You can see that this document is having a title as an introduction to LaTeX. Then there is author name. Then there is a date information. There is an abstract in this document. There are sections with some text and different subsections. So we are interested to generate this type of document at the end of this session. So in this session we will use certain LaTeX commands. Let's understand the syntax of these LaTeX commands. First command is a document class. This command is useful to tell what type of document we are preparing. This command accepts certain options and then there are certain properties of this particular command. Next important command is a begin document and end document. So we need to embed entire code of LaTeX commands inside these two commands, begin document and end document. Slash title is the command which is helpful to us to add the title to the document. Slash author will help us to add the author information. Slash date will help us to add the date information to the document. And make title is the command with which we are able to display the title, author and date information in the document. Then we can have the abstract in the document with the slash begin abstract environment. We can create different sections with command slash section. We can create subsection in a particular section by using the command slash subsection. And of course, if we want to add some comment into the document, then we need to precede the content with the percentage symbol. So let's go ahead and create a basic document using these LaTeX commands. Open the Text Studio, go in the File menu and click for New button. We are going to create the document from the scratch, and first command in any TX document is generally the document class. You can see that context sensitive help is available to you. So I need to give the key values as options, and I need to mention the type of the document by using the particular class. Let me use article as a class of the document. I have kept the options field as empty. The next important command is a begin document, slash begin. Context sensitive help is available to me, and you can see that the end document tag has already come automatically. So I need to add the code in between these two tags, that is a begin document and end document. I am adding some text here. I can copy paste this text multiple times so that I can have the sufficient length text. So what I have done is I created a document from the scratch. This document is of the type article, and in the begin document I have put up some text. So let's save this TX file. Make sure that the extension of this file is .tx. So now our first simple document is ready. Let's compile this document. So process has exited normally. There are no errors in the document. So I can build the document from this TX file. And you can see that this has generated a PDF file. Let me show you that PDF file from the folder. So on desktop there is a text folder, and in the text folder I have ex2.tx file, and it has generated ex2.pdf file. And you can see that this PDF file is containing certain text. So this document do not have any title, author information. There are no sections and subsections It simply contains some text. So let me go back to my TX code. So now I want to add the title, author, date information in the document. So go inside the begin document tag. To add the title information, I need to use the /title command. I need to mention the name of the document in the curly braces. So I have given the title as my research paper on the LaTex. Let me add the author information in the document. Let me add a date information in the document with the help of date command. I have not used make title command, which actually help us to add this information to our document. /. Now let me again save, compile and build the document. Process has exited normally. And now you can see that the title of the document is there, author information is there, and also date information is there. Let me show you this PDF file to you from the folder. Open the ex2.pdf file, and this is how my PDF file look like. So my file is having title of the paper, author information and date information, and some text is there in that document. So now we need to add abstract in this document so that our research paper will have some content as an abstract. Command that you have to use is /begin abstract. So write abstract here. Let's compile and build the document now. Now you can see the preview that now in my document abstract is there. See, that document contains some text, but that text is not there in the form of sections and subsections. So let's add first subsection to this particular document. So I am adding this section after the abstract, and command I have to use is /section. Let the name of my section is introduction and motivation. Add some text in that section. Okay, so let me add one more section using same command, that is /section. And suppose this is second section about literature survey. So what I have done is I have added two sections in my document. Let me compile and build this document now. Let me show you the output using actual PDF file. So now my document is having title of the research paper, author information, date information. There is an abstract with some content inside the abstract. And there are two sections. Section 1 is introduction and motivation, and section 2 is about literature survey. You can notice that this section numbering has done automatically. So I am not bothering about the numbers given to the section. Just I am adding the respective section using /section command, and the care is automatically taken by LaTex. Let's go back to the TX file. So let's add now some subsection inside this first section, that is introduction and motivation. Command for this is /subsection, and give the name of that subsection. Maybe the name is background. I'm adding some text here. Let me add another subsection. Let's compile and build the document now. Okay, let me open the PDF file, and now you can see the content, and observe that in section 1 I have one subsection as a background, and the number given to that subsection is 1.1, and there is another subsection as a motivation, and the number given to it is 1.2. So this way I can add subsections in my document. I can further add subsection using subsection command. So let's do it for the motivation. Okay, if I try to compile this file, then it is generating an error, and that error is I can't write on the ex2.pdf file. So this error is generated when you have opened the PDF file and that file is not closed, and since it is not closed, it is not possible to rewrite the content to the file. So what you need to do is you have to close that PDF file. So this file is open. Let me close this file. Again go back to Text Studio and then compile and build the document. Now the process is exited normally. So let me show you the changes in the preview itself. So here you can see that 1.2.1 there is a subsection in this document. So this way you can add multiple sections, subsections in your document. Now let's do some more changes. For example, right now the document class is article. So rather than article class, let me use a report class and see the changes that are happening in the document. So I'm not changing any other content but changing the class to report. So let's compile and build the document. Let me open this document from the PDF viewer. Now you can observe that since I have used report as a class, on my first page there is just title of the document and author information. Then there is a blank space. On second page there is an abstract, and third page onwards there is a content, and even the section numbering is in a different way. So point is, this is a predefined template for the report class, and if I choose the report class, then the content is displayed in a format which is required for the report. So that is the beauty of LaTex system, that predefined templates are there to control the structure of the document, and we don't need to bother about the formatting of the content. Let me close this file. So let's go back and again make this class as a article. What you can do is you can try few more classes like book, letter, and so on. Now we'll try one more thing, that in document class command, at the place of option, we'll give the 2-column format for the content, because so far the content is displayed in a 1-column format. Now suppose I want the content in 2-column format, then add this 2-column as a option in the document class command. Let's save, compile and build the document again. Let me open this file using PDF viewer, and now you can see that the content is there in 2-column format. Let's go back to the TX file. We can also add comment in the document using percentage symbol. So percentage comment is not executed by the compiler, so it is ignored by the compiler, and such comments are helpful to the author itself to get the additional detail about the code which is there in the next slide. In this session, we discuss how exactly we can prepare LaTeX document from scratch. We prepared a document which have the title, author, date, abstract information, and we organize the content of that document in various sections and subsections. In the next section, we'll discuss about basic text formatting.